Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of ancient royalty, where the alluring magic of modern glamour slowly fades away, unveiling the true depth of power and beauty. For a moment, let us forget the captivating figure of Cleopatra. Let's shed a light on her formidable, yet remarkable predecessor, Queen Ty, the one who was the actual architect of the 18th dynasty. Embark upon a captivating digital journey, recreating her likeness with the help of Procreate software. Using the technical pen, I begin by establishing a robust outline, meticulously calibrating her facial proportions drawn directly from the well-known you would bust and the few successfully preserved temple reliefs that still exist. This preeminent groundwork serves as our constant historical compass, which guides us throughout the process of developing the color palette, even before a single stroke of color emerges. Now it is time to breathe life into her divine visage. With the Stucco brush, I introduce a rich and organic skin tone. Beginning with a deep umbering base, I carefully accentuate the distinguishing contours of her face, incorporating warm shades of terracotta and sienna as highlights, mirroring the radiant natural glow that can be found within ancient plaster artifacts embedded in softly flickering light. Following that, we diligently tackle her iconic, ornate heavy wig. Armed with the charcoal block brush, I skillfully create textured strokes in solid charcoal black, effectively capturing those unforgettable curls that have resounded throughout time, as evident in her many artifacts. As we proceed deeper into the story, we slowly begin to uncover the rich details hidden within her royal attire. A striking cerulean blue and vibrant turquoise blend effortlessly with her ornate headdress, as I meticulously map out the complex and intricate beadwork, contributing a touch of opulence that perfectly complements her regal stance. Finally, witness the breathtaking historical juxtaposition. Queen Ty, despite not inheriting royal lineage, is skillfully depicted on an even grander scale than the pharaoh himself. This isn't simply a portrait. It's a potent, life-altering reconstruction of timeless influence and enduring legacy. This remarkable portrait that presents Queen Ty on her regal canvas truly looks like the extraordinary monarch she was, inspiring us all with powerful lessons about beauty, power, and history. This is part of a new adaptive technique, which is incorporating historical images with the assistance of Gemini, and then use the awl, a brush called appear on the historical artifacts. Process I had to create the image and for the hair I downloaded. Create this image.